بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. I pray each and every single one of you is doing well. Today is the 5th day of the beautiful month of Ramadan. Now you're probably experiencing that the way you entered the month of Ramadan with the intentions of productivity, with a spiritual high, you're probably feeling and experiencing that this is slowly wearing, and you're probably feeling that you're slipping back into your normal lifestyle. You're probably experiencing that you're slipping back to your old habits, and this is what will happen. And as I mentioned in the previous videos, the key thing is to pace yourself correctly, making sure you are keeping everything balanced. To help in this, one thing that you definitely need to make sure you do to make sure you have a productive Ramadan is limit your use of technology and social media during the month of Ramadan. And if you cannot do this, then what might be good is the way you are fasting and staying away from food and drink, also do the same, i.e. stay away from technology and social media. Because as you are slowly seeing that your zeal and your passion and your motivation is wearing off, you will slowly begin to see your old habits kick in. And from amongst our old habits, many of us have is social media and technology. And this is one of the most things that if it's used, it will definitely waste your time. One video on YouTube will lead to another, and next thing you know, you've spent just 1 hour sitting on your couch watching videos on YouTube. So the key thing is, number one, pace yourself out correctly. Balance everything out accordingly. Number two is make sure your time is spent correctly and away from social media as much as possible. Social media is a platform of good. It does have its goodness. But yes, having a productive Ramadan, the best thing to do is limit your use. And if you cannot limit your use, then the best thing is to switch it off and stay away from it. And actually make this a challenge. One of the most used social media platforms in your life, put it to rest and put it to bed. Challenge yourself and do this. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for each and every single one of us. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share it with your friends and family so they can also benefit as well. Remember me in your sincere du'as. My name is Muhammad Ali. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.